Yeah, just having a barbecue out here about 5 o'clock in the evening. My mate's turned up here, Nicky's turned up. Have a look and see what he's got. Oh. Wow, Nicky, you have to hold it, I'll film you. Good? Just having the barbie. But anyway, wild honey on the mango branch. I reckon that's got to be classed as bush tucker. It's dripping all over the ground here. I'm going to try a bit in a minute. Have a look at that. Wild honey. Wow. That's magic. That's just magic. Get off there, you. It's honey on a branch, honey on a mango stick. I've got to talk really loudly because I'm out on the street here. I just tried a bit of honey. It's different to our European honeybee honey. It's watery sort of a honey. It's a very delicate flavour. It's beautiful, absolutely lovely. Absolutely, it's got no strong flavours of anything. It's just a very sweet, sort of thin, about half the viscosity of our European honeybee honey. Eating it like that, there's no, appears to be what I can see, there's no pupae in amongst it like normal honeycomb. It's just all pure honey. Something different on another day in Thailand. How do you get up here in Thailand? Hey, wild honey. See you guys.